Deane Friendship Park and Nature Center offers breathtaking panoramic views of San Pedro, Santa Catalina Island, and the Los Angeles Harbor. On clear days, visitors have wonderful panoramic views of Los Angeles and the San Gabriel and San Bernardino mountain ranges. Amazing panoramic vistas of Catalina Island and the Los Angeles, Long Beach Harbor complex delight the eye. Comprised of 123 acres, it is also home to the beautiful, captive-bred and federally endangered Palos Verdes Blue butterfly. The park also offers recreational activities, including hiking trails, field trips, nature camps, and a nature center. This 123-acre park has a picnic area, children's play area, and large turf areas. A natural history museum, classrooms, live animals, and other displays educate and entertain in the new 4,000-square-foot nature center. Many activities including bird walks, naturalist classes for adults and children, craft classes, hiking, picnicking, birthday parties, school field trips, and nature camps are available. Young children will enjoy the shaded playground in a sand lot surrounded by lawn. The park is open from 7 a.m., the parking lot closes at 6 p.m. The Nature Center is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and closed Mondays. If you get the opportunity to, definitely check out this park. It's peaceful and will truly inspire you.